Alright, back with another one. This one's going to be fun. For me. I was waiting for this, finally arrived. After all the success of having pannier racks and bags and crap on Denise's commuter for Chally, and with the Dutch bike, especially the Dutch bike, I thought it was a good idea to think about putting something similar for the Klein. Because I do ride this a little bit in the summer, back and forth to softball games, and having a rack, which I had one before, but it was one of these beam racks and it was super flippin' heavy. A rack is nice, and a pannier bag is even nicer. So what can I do? Because there are no eyelets on this thing. There's nothing up here to attach. There's nothing down at the axle to, at the bottom of the seat stays to attach to. There's no eyelets. So there are options. There's lots of options out there, and I found one. It looks pretty damn cool. Doesn't look too bulky or heavy, but it looks like it'll take pannier racks, bags, and it'll take something on the top panel, the top platform. So, like I said, it arrived. It is here. It is a RFR seat post carrier with rail, which is, oh yeah, this is what I want. And it clamps onto the seat post, and you can stick a bag on here, either side. And that's it. That's all where it connects to, is on the seat post. So we're gonna throw it on there and see what happens. It's really light. It's really nice black powder coat. It's got a little hold down mouse trappy kind of thing here. But yeah, I'm looking forward to using this. So let's get it on. Instruction manual, don't give a shit about that. Looks like I need a 5mm key. Feeling a little tight. Actually, you know what? I am going to open up the instructions because there might be a torque spec in there. So we have our plate. We have a little rubber protector, which is important. And we have the rack. So let's look and see if there's a torque spec in there. Oh gosh. That's a lot of instructions. How to get there from here. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, loosen with the help of a key. Dun, dun, dun. Approach the retaining plate of the seat post luggage racks. The seat post. Yes, I will approach it in a moment here. Yeah. Check the clearance. Blah blah blah. 7 Newton meters. 7 Newton meters is the torques. So that's what we'll do it for. Okay. So what do we think? Yeah. That'll look pretty good. That'll look damn good. Just make sure it's in the center and not hitting nothing. And yeah. Let's get on. All right, looking real good. Let's put away the torque wrench. Zero. I like to reset my torque wrench to 0 every time I put it away. It's just me. Now, let's have a look at this thing. There it is. See, it's pretty straight. Not a bad looking rack. What do you think, Millie? Yeah, Millie just wants food. That's all Millie cares about is food. Like I said, not a bad looking. See how that distorts when you squish it? You know what? I'm not too bothered. It's there doing its job. It's not like the thing's perfect, you know? But yeah, that is my intention, to hang a bag off of that. And yeah, you strap bags and stuff on top of this. So, ready to go. And that's the rear rack for the Klein Pulse. If you liked it, click the like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.